My FYI class was digital filmmaking, and I loved it so much that I then took documentary film production. I did my semester-long project on the Red Sox, which is how I got this job. There's so much that goes into it behind the scenes that you don't see. It's really overwhelming, but in the best possible way. On any given night, there is over 9,000 fans here with their eyes on the board watching what we do, and my job in that moment is to just make every single one of them happy. I was involved with softball at Clark and a cappella, and in both of those situations taught me a lot about leadership and teamwork, and that really applies in this job. When I direct, I'm in a position of leadership. Representation is really important. You know, every game we have a junior announcer come in, and it's a little kid, and they get to sit and announce the batters, and I love when it's a girl. And I love when they walk in and I get to sit there and say hi to them, because I like to think that they can look at me and say, oh, like this is possible. It's a daunting industry to want to break into, but as soon as you get your foot in the door, it's so exciting, and it just makes you want to keep going and going.